Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace a hinge on your trunk. So in most cases, when you go to replace your hinge, you're going to be able to use the same screw holes that were originally in the trunk. But let's just say that one of these screw holes, one or more, is stripped out or just too damaged and you're afraid to put a screw back into that hole. What you can do is just slightly offset the new hinge, and then you can start with fresh holes. What works best is to use a cordless drill here because that's going to allow you to pierce through the metal easier. If you decide not to use a cordless drill, what you can always do is just tap on the head of the screw with a hammer to pierce through the metal, and then you'd be able to tighten with a regular screwdriver. To start, remove the 6 screws that are holding the hinge on currently. You can use the security bit that we sent you along with your replacement hinge to remove those screws. You're going to want to hang on to these screws. You'll be using those again to install the new hinge. So just set those screws off to the side. You can discard that old hinge and then reinstall the new replacement hinge we sent you using those same security screws. We don't want to tighten these screws just yet. We're just going to get them started. We'll come back and tighten everything down in the end. You'll notice that we probably sent you a couple of extra security screws with that replacement hinge, just in case any of yours were missing or damaged. Alright, so now let's just go back and tighten all those down. There's no need to over tighten. You want to just kind of tighten until you see the metal plate of the hinge suck up tight against the metal exterior of the trunk. And that's how you replace a hinge on your footlocker.